Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to see archive history in Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app and choose your any profile. Okay, then swipe your profile and click on menu option, scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, click on settings. Okay, scroll down, click on histories, then back, tap on activity log and click on activity history. Just wait few seconds, tap on archive, then show your all archive history in Facebook. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe.